Withdrawing money from your Airbnb account to your bank account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure a smooth transaction. Step 1. Log into your Airbnb account. Access your Airbnb account by visiting the website or opening the app. Enter your login credentials to get started. Step 2. Navigate to your earnings. Once logged in, go to your profile or account settings. Look for the section labeled Earnings or Payouts to find your available funds. Step 3. Select your payout method. In the Earnings section, you will see options for payout methods. Choose the bank transfer option if you haven't already set it up. If needed, enter your bank account details. Step 4. Request a withdrawal. After selecting your payout method, look for the option to withdraw funds. Enter the amount you wish to transfer to your bank account and confirm the transaction. Step 5. Check the status of your withdrawal. Once you have requested the withdrawal, you can check the status in the Earnings section. It may take a few days for the funds to appear in your bank account, depending on your bank's processing times. Following these steps will help you successfully withdraw your earnings from Airbnb to your bank account. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Airbnb support for assistance.